I'm here with Meteors, and this is what a lunar eclipse looks like up close. Total solar eclipses are incredible astronomical events, but they can also be dangerous if you don't know what you're looking at. So let's break down this dramatic footage and learn how to understand these scary-looking scenes. This video was taken by the Artemis 1 spacecraft as it flew by the moon during its journey to orbit the moon and then return to Earth. During that journey, the spacecraft captured some stunning views of our planet and moon, including this lunar eclipse. The eclipse starts with the moon in the middle of an eclipse. That means the Earth is passing between the moon and the sun, which is different than a solar eclipse. In that case, the moon would be casting a shadow on the Earth. So let's take a minute to appreciate how cool this is. We are watching a lunar eclipse happen in real time from a unique perspective. It might look like the moon is being consumed by the Earth, but really the Earth is just passing in front of the sun. And as it does, it blocks the sunlight that would normally reflect off the moon and make it glow. Instead, we get to see the moon's surface illuminated by the remaining light that makes it through the Earth's atmosphere. That brings us to the first key point of this clip. You may notice that the color of the moon changes over the course of the eclipse. At first, it looks like your typical bright white moon. But as the eclipse deepens, the moon takes on a reddish hue. That's because the light from the sun that makes it through the Earth's atmosphere is mostly red. The blue light gets scattered away. Think about all those beautiful red sunsets you've seen on Earth. They're the same color as this moon. But there's another reason lunar eclipses can appear red. It has to do with all the stuff in the Earth's atmosphere that's getting in the way of the sunlight. That includes water, vapor, dust, clouds, and smoke. All of that stuff can absorb or scatter the light, which makes the moon look even more red than it normally would. And speaking of things on Earth affecting the moon, that brings us to the second key point of this clip, the people. As the moon turns a deep red color, we see lots of tiny figures spread out along the US coast. They're all looking up at the moon in awe, and for good reason. Lunar eclipses like this one are pretty rare. They only happen about twice a year, and each one only covers about half of the globe. So the next time you want to see one like this, you'll have to travel to the other side of the planet. And luckily for those of us who can't travel, we can always go back and relive the glory of past eclipses. Just check out this video from 2019. It's the same view from a different angle, but it captures the same breathtaking scene. So don't miss out. Subscribe so you never miss an update from us.